How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a Volvo Semi with the D13 or D16 engine in it? And did you know that there's a way to check the engine oil without getting out of the seat of your truck, right through the instrument cluster? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Here we go. All you need to do, basically shut your engine off, turn the key on, and you use your washer fluid stock. So what you want to do, press escape, and you just look at your items there. Using the up and down arrows and the enter button. So press escape, scroll down, keep on going down to vehicle data. Press enter, and you see oil level there. Press enter again, and according to this, once you let it sit for 71 minutes, basically to let the oil settle. You know, you got quite a bit of oil in there in the top end, and if you go topping it up now, by the time it sits, it might end up being over full. So according to this, we're sitting about 2 liters low. So let's get out of the truck, we'll check the oil the old-fashioned way, and we'll see how accurate this is. Pull our dipstick. Should seat it all the way. Pull it out. And okay, here's our full line. There's our oil level. I'd say it's pretty accurate when it said that it's 2 liters low. But like that display said, let the engine sit, let the oil settle, that way you get an accurate measurement. As you can see, even after a few minutes, that oil level has gone up a little bit. And I bet you if we let it sit even longer, it's probably going to be to that full line. That's just a cool little feature of this truck. But really, how practical is it? Who's going to want to wait 68 minutes to check your oil? And in my opinion, nothing beats the old-fashioned way of pulling a dipstick and using your own eyes. After all, you get a little bit of a sensor issue or even some corrosion in the wiring. That could make this reading skew just a little bit. After all, you don't want to have too much oil in it, and you definitely don't want to have not enough oil in it. Once you're done with the washer fluid stock, just press escape, and you back out to your main menu. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.